Hello everybody, thought I'd make a video here about my Harbor Freight greenhouse, 6 foot by 8 foot times 2. My first greenhouse was a 6 foot by 8 foot Harbor Freight greenhouse I put up. A year later, added another one, kind of put them together on treated lumber. The first one's on about 10 inches of lumber, which makes it 10 inches taller. As the ground sloped down, my second greenhouse is about 14 inches of lumber, which makes it 14 inches taller. So it's been here about 4 years. Last year I didn't grow anything in it, so I recently got it cleaned out. I'm going to close the door. It's raining. Probably hear the rain on the roof, but as I walk in, I'm standing here at the door. I've got this open space on the bottom with dirt for tomato plants. That's probably 4 feet tall, that shelf. So I have room down here for tomatoes to grow up tall. And I've got this shelf. And then the roof. Didn't put the windows in the second greenhouse to open. I did put the windows to open in the back greenhouse. Over here we have 1, 2, 3 shelves that I put up to grow microgreens in pans like this. That piece of lumber is there for a reason. My wire mesh on the shelf sunk down in the middle, so those containers there wouldn't sit level. So with that piece of lumber in there, as you see those plates sitting there level, I could grow the microgreens and pour the water in, and the water wouldn't run out. So I have 3 shelves here. Growing space in the bottom. I've already planted lettuce, various types of lettuce down there. And my first greenhouse, going through the doorway into the first greenhouse. Got some growing space down there I still got to get cleaned out. Add some dirt. Got this shelf, another shelf, and this is how I started this greenhouse, this first greenhouse. A shelf up here, another shelf, dirt in the bottom. Still got some junk to get out of the back. A couple 5-gallon containers. I was going to make a wood stove out of those metal containers. Haven't done that yet, but that shelf, got a shelf up here, partial shelf down here, and if I get this junk out of here. But this fan blows inward. The fan you see down there blows outward. So another view of the second greenhouse and all the space I have, and the shelves, and the growing space on the bottom. Those 3 shelves. This shelf is pretty tall up. You can hear the rain hitting the roof. It doesn't really leak. I got some Christmas lights I put up. They put out a little bit of heat. I thought was a good idea at the time to help heat it in the winter months. Not sure how much heat they put out. They really don't put out that much. This greenhouse, the first greenhouse back there, is all I had. Was this first tiny greenhouse, 6 foot by 8 foot, 6 foot by 8 foot Harbor Freight greenhouse. Gave me the idea to create a Facebook group called Greenhouses and Gardens. It now has 95,000 members. Greenhouses and Gardens Facebook, 95,000 members. Started with my 6 foot by 8 foot greenhouse. You see it here with my cobbled up shelves. I made some of it with new lumber, some of it with used lumber, just cobbled up. Because of this tiny greenhouse you're looking at, Greenhouses and Gardens on Facebook has 95,000 members. It started right here with this greenhouse. Just wanted to make a video. Thank y'all for watching.